Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1971 Triumph Tr6 Convertible we have on offer this month. Damson red, black interior, black top boot, 4-speed, steel wheels. I think it reads about 97,000 original miles. We just purchased this car from Illinois. It's been in indoor storage. And we're going to do a video next week. We're just kind of crushed for time this week with the holidays coming up. But we'll be doing the video next week on it. So this car's been in storage a little bit. We're freshening it, getting it running and driving. But cosmetically, quite the nice car. This is an early 71 high compression engine TR6, finished in the original colors. So Damson red, black. Very, very good paint. The only flaws I can see is just some very, very slight prep. You can see a couple little tiny, just some real slight blemish bubbling or something in the primer in a couple spots, not over the whole car, but just in a couple spots that point upwards towards the sun. But the overall finish of the car is excellent. If you stand back 5 feet, it presents just beautifully. The back bumper is the original chrome here. Not really seeing any chips or anything going on, just a really lovely, fresh looking, glossy paintwork, great gaps. It's fitted with these lower profile, wider tires with the Euro look steel rims with no beauty rims. So this is the look of the European cars. They kind of had a little bit wider, meatier look to them. But beautifully re-chromed front bumper. All the bright work looks pretty nice. We'll just take a slow walk around here, see if we can find anything. But yeah, aside from a few of those little patches on the hood, you might be able to color sand and buff them, but the rest of the car looks just quite stunning in this really handsome, attractive Damson red, which is the factory color. So let's look at this car's interior. This is the original top boot on the car. It's excellent. We're going to take it outside and get it smoking hot with the sun before we try and stretch it and get it on the snaps there. We need to grease that door hinge, but yeah, really good interior on this car. You can see great door panel. Really nice dash. Seats are in great shape. There's no rips or tears. So this has all been restored. Really nice seat covers. Really good black carpet set all the way around. Still rich with a lot of nice color. Arm bars are excellent. The dashboard here, largely an excellent dashboard. Couple tiny flaws that can get welded up with a dashboard repair guy, and then just another little tip of the switch plinth here. But the rest of the crash pads look great. The wood looks real nice. This is a lovely original steering wheel. Really nice, grippy. The surrounds nice and tight against the wheel there. So pretty good dashboard. One unoriginal gauge there, but we're gonna fire the car up and check all the instruments and lights and things like that. So there it is. Really nice, largely original. I mean, original looking, but restored interior. Let me show you the VIN plate here. So September 71 build. Paint 1711, which I'm sure is Damson with black trim. So really handsome, attractive car here. Let's take a look at the car's engine compartment. You gotta be careful there. Yeah, this does have an emergency release on there, so no fear of getting the hood stuck on this car. So it appears this is all the original paint in the engine bay. There's the original sticker. It looks like there's some recent brake work done. It's got this nice Triumph Tune valve cover fitted. It's fitted with a pair of downdraft Weber carbs. Included are the original Stromberg carbs in the trunk in a box with the original air cleaner. But it's got this nice meaty set of Webers. And like I said, we're going to be running the driving video next week. But yeah, nice, tidy, original engine compartment all the way around, very clean. Let me shut this. Windshield on the car is the original Tr6. We've got the logo right there. They've replaced this rubber around the windshield. It just needs a lock-up strip to add that little silver finishing piece on it. Let's take a look at the car's trunk. Trunk's nice and clean and original. It does need a trunk liner kit. But as you can see in here, it's got the original trunk board, all the original Damson paint. It's pretty nice and clean. We've looked under the car. Very, very impressive for a car coming from Illinois. Hardly any rust anywhere underneath. Really good chassis, really good floors. And can't wait to get this one up and going on the road next week for our driving video. It's fitted with a sports exhaust, like a dual Monza sports exhaust system. We'll do one final walk around on this really attractive early Tr6. Yeah, lovely color. So it's kind of a plum burgundy purple. And there it is, 1971 Triumph Tr6 Convertible, Damson red, black trim, black top boot, showing 97,000 miles, 4-speed disc wheels, excellent body, really good paint, very, very nice upholstery. We're gonna get it driving next week, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.